Okay, today we are working on 1.2, page 7, problems 13 through 24. So again, we're still working on page 7. We're just doing the bottom half of the page, problems 13 through 24. So today we're working on multiplication and division. So this is a multiplication problem. So when we do the multiplication, it's 5 times n equals negative 25. So we do the inverse operation of 5 times n, which is divide. So we're going to divide both sides by the number that's in front of our variable. So in this case, our variable is n. So we're going to divide both sides by 5. So when we divide both sides by 5, the 5's on the left cancel, leaving n as my variable, and then I divide the right side, which is negative 25 divided by 5. The signs here are positive and negative, so that means we're going to get a negative answer, and when we divide, we get negative 5. Okay? Now let's try a different problem where the number is on the left and the variable is on the right. So again, my variable is n, my number is negative 3. These are being multiplied with each other, so our inverse operation is divide by the number in front of the variable, which is negative 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. So again, these 3's cancel, leaving me n. When I divide my negative 3 into 63, I get negative 21. So again, we're dividing by negative 3 into on both sides, where the negative 3's cancel next to the variable, and then I divide the two numbers on the left side. Okay, now we're going to do division problems where we use multiplication. So if I have n divided by 4 equals negative 6. So again, this is a division problem, so we want to move towards multiplication. So what we do is we put parentheses around both sides of our equation and we multiply by the denominator. The denominator in this case is 4. So I put 4 on this side and 4 on this side. Well, on the 4's on the left side will cancel, leaving me n. When we multiply a negative times a positive, which gives me a negative, and we get negative 24. Okay, let's try another one. So on this side I have n, we'll put the 5 on this side, and then we'll have n over negative 6 on this side. So again, we're doing the inverse operation of division, which becomes multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by the denominator, which is negative 6. Negative 6, I know it's really hard to see, so we'll erase real quick, and we'll put the 5 here, and then the negative 6 here. So again, I'm going to multiply negative 6 times 5, which gives me negative 30. I cancel my 6's, which leaves n. So again, we're doing multiplication and division. So here's the division, here's the multiplication. Just remember to do it to both sides, so that way the one side cancels, and then the other side you multiply. So again, work on page 7. Problems 13 through 24. Thanks. Bye-bye.